Hey, what's up today? I'm going to be showing y'all how to do this fade with just 2 guards. First, take your comb and comb out the hair. Then with your number 1 guard, cut the hair going with the grain. Then with your trimmer, set your first guideline. After you set your first guideline, take your clipper with the lever open, go up about 1 inch. Then with the lever closed, get rid of that line at the bottom. Then open it halfway for better blend. Then take your 0.5 guard open, go up about another inch. And then close the lever to blend that in. And finally, take your number 1 guard open and go up to blend all that together. Here, as you see everything coming together, is really that simple, to be honest.